What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping into another new artist to the channel. Not gonna lie, when I first saw this one, I thought somebody was trolling me. Steven Seagulls, really? Like Steven Seagal, Thunderstruck. Let's check this out. Let's jump in. I don't know what we're in for, but it is very requested, so let's check it out. Alright, this is gonna be different and wild, but I'm down, so down. If you come on, banjo picker, show me what you got. Let's do this. Oh yes. Dude, really playing spoons.
In the middle of a railroad track.
Okay.
Moved around and I knew there was no turning back.
This is creative as shit. I like this already. We ain't even a minute in yet. I'm already sold. Like, I understand what all the hype was about. Thank you for screaming for this one, for sure.
My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck.
Oh, like a little pan drum too.
Went
Come
down
on.
the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun.
Yo, this is Thunderstruck Jamboree style, Southern Jamboree style. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, people. Y'all know how to send me some requests that are going to be right up my alley. Anything different. Well, you taking something and making it into something else, into something great, like, and creative. All about this, 100%. Like, there's some serious talent right here in these little farm boys. Like, let's get this.
Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 Thunderstruck.
Alright, I want to know everything about Steven Seagulls. Like, let me know what's up. Like, Steve is the one guy and Seagulls are the band. Y'all gotta fit me in what's going on, because we need more of this. Like, for sure, for sure. I don't know what other covers have they done. Do they got originals? Like, is this a one-off thing? Y'all keep me in the loop, because if it is a one-off thing, that's horribly sad. But if it is like something that's bigger, like, fill me in. Let me know where I need to go next. If you're a fan from Steven Seagulls, like, let's do this. Lead me on a journey. I'm all about it. This fucking fantastic right here. That's the only way to put it.
Thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Thunderstruck, 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 Thunderstruck.
Get it.
Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, Thunderstruck, Thunderstruck.
It's gonna be played at every party that I ever go to now. Like if I'm in a bar and the DJ is there and you can request songs, this is gonna be the one that picks everybody up because this is awesome. Like it's got me ready to go like try to learn how to play the banjo and shit. And I know that'll never happen. Yo, check it out. I see this thing right here. It says that there's 3 other videos. Please, Lord, let there be more than 3 videos. Don't let this be like a one-off thing. You guys let me know, like I said, down inside the comment section or on the request form that's inside the description. Definitely where I want to go. Like, take me on a little jamboree. Let me get some more banjos. Throw in some harmonicas. I'm all about that. Like any song that's got a banjo or a harmonica or a steel guitar or a violin. Those are all songs worth keeping. Like that's real instruments. Let's do it. I'm all about it. Send it my way. If you are a fan, let me know what I need, what else I need to see by them. If they've got other things, fill me in, fill the void so I know what's going on. Because I really thought y'all were just trolling me at first until I saw multiple requests start coming through. I'm like, all right, this Steven Seagull's got to be something. So much love for you guys being here. Thank you for checking it out with me. Thank you for taking me on this journey and introducing me to somebody new. We always love new people, new artists, new groups, new bands, new whatever it is you want me to see. That's what we do on this channel. If you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos. It's floating around up here somewhere on the screen. Subscribe over here if you want to join the family and this great group of individuals that we've got built up. Nothing but love, positivity, and unity over here. Ain't no haters. So, the button's right there. All you gotta do is click it. What are you waiting for? Until the next one is highly combustible, I'm out of here. Love y'all to the moon and back. Peace.